As an IVF doctor, the one piece of advice I give all my patients is that they need to learn to make their own decisions for themselves. It's very tempting to get a doctor to make the decision for you. For one thing, in India, it's a very paternalistic attitude which doctors have, and patients are quite happy to put the doctor on a pedestal, which means they expect the doctor to tell them what to do. After all, that's what they're paying the consultation fees for. And isn't the doctor the expert, and isn't that his job? Actually, that's not true. It's the doctor's job to explain your options and then act like your partner, your coach, your guide, so that you can make the right decision for yourself. Because quite frankly, doctors aren't mind readers, and you're the one who has to live with the consequences of whatever decision you make. And really, all decisions are equally correct. You could choose not to have a baby, you could choose to adopt a baby, you could choose to do IVF as many times as you like, you could choose to do third-party reproduction with donor eggs. All the options are right for the patient who decides to make that decision for themselves. And that's why it's so important to invest in information therapy. So I always tell patients, when you're making your decisions, make sure that you first use your brains, you've done your homework, you've understood all your options intellectually. Pretend that you're doing this homework for your younger sister, for example, and not for yourself. So you do it a little objectively. But please don't underestimate your intelligence. Don't think that you won't be able to understand, because that bothers me. You're smart. The problem with Indian patients is they overestimate a doctor's intelligence and they underestimate their own intelligence, and I don't like that at all. Of course, doctors are specialists in what we do, but ultimately you're the one who makes that decision for yourself, because it's your life. It's very easy for me to tell you what to do, but I'm not going to live with the consequence of that decision. And tomorrow, if you're not happy with that decision, I don't want you to come and curse me. I want you to say, no, I thought about all my choices. I made the right choice for myself. And trust me, if you make the choice for yourself, you will be much happier no matter what choice you make. So step number 1, do your homework. Step number 2, sleep over it. Listen to your heart. Give yourself enough time to make this decision. This is not an easy decision. Accept that. It has emotional consequences. It's very hard. It's very helpful to have a sounding board whom you can discuss your decision with. Preferably this will be your husband, or it could be your mom, or it could be any family member or any mentor, someone whom you can talk to safely, who will keep their mouth shut and will tell you what you should do in your own best interests. I think once you follow this process, then give yourself enough time so that finally your heart will tell you what's right for you. And once your heart does that, then of course you can always come back to us as IVF specialists, and we'll be happy to do whatever treatment you think is right for you, for yourself. Because once you've owned that decision, it's much easier for us to respect you and to behave as partners in your journey. Because really, we want to help you to have a baby, but we want to help you in a way which you're comfortable with. And that's why if you made your own decision, you will earn the doctor's trust and respect. And much more importantly, you will earn your own trust and respect. And you will finally get that invaluable peace of mind that you made the right decision for yourself. So that when you're looking back at your life, you said, okay, I did everything I wanted to for myself. We look forward to helping you to have a baby. And if you want to find out more about how we can do this, please check out our website at www.drmalpani.com. I'm Dr. Malpani. I'm an IVF specialist, and I love helping infertile couples to complete their family.